This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Lexus GS 350. It has a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine, a six-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a power sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity discharge headlights, leather seats, performance tires, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button. And this vehicle has fewer than 33,000 miles on the odometer. You can have peace of mind while considering this certified Lexus. It's undergone a meticulous 161-point inspection, comes with a 3-year, 100,000-mile warranty, and it has been reconditioned to the level that is virtually indistinguishable from a new Lexus. It isn't new and it isn't used. It's in a special category all its own. This Lexus has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Call or visit us right now and arrange your test drive today.
Lexus of Bellevue is located at 101 116th Avenue Southeast in Bellevue. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.